not to scuff my boots. Sleeping in the booth, don't like to talk, but gotta speak my truth. All this ass shaking in the club, babe, all I need is you. Tryna distance my life from these drugs, but shit, I need them too. Way that I been stepping, I been trying not to scuff my boots. Sleeping in the booth, don't like to talk, but gotta speak my truth. All this ass shaking in the club, babe, all I need is you. Tryna distance my life from these drugs, but shit, I need them.
Nice to meet ya. I'm a graffiti artist, model, and upcoming stylist. I just like being creative. I like creating content just like Taxi.
Indeed.
And I like shooting. Shooting is so much fun. I really like editorial shoots, so that's what I'm trying to come up on more. So.
Oh, that's the one with the bag?
Yeah, we got the, you know what I'm saying, with the, in the city, like, y'all see the angles, like, with the, tap into the channel, the BTS going crazy, like, what?
Like, I kind of like that a little bit, you know what I mean? Yeah, like a little eensy beensy, you know? Like, you know what I'm saying? A little eensy beensy, There we go. Let me see, turn my mic on. What it is, guys, man. Is it starting? Yeah. What it do, fam? We're back at it again with another one. I'm trying to start on my camera. I'm trying to run my reels at the same time as shooting. I'm gonna do some like non-flash photography this time. So today we're gonna be using a little bit of indie filters, and we're also gonna be using natural light photography. So we're in harsh light. I'm gonna use the hand method first to see which way the direction of the light is going. I turn this way, my hand's completely dark. I'm not gonna shoot this way because I'm not using flash, okay? So as you can see, my hand's completely darked out, right? It's overexposed, too much over here, right? I turn this way, my hand's completely lit. So I'm gonna shoot this direction with auto, natural light, whatever, no flash, you guys. I don't got no reflector, no nothing. I'm out here with the bare minimum, okay? Showing you that you can do it too, okay? So don't be limited by the equipment, thinking that you need all this extra gear and extravagant shit. Just get your camera and create something. Let's do it. Give me some aura. What it do, fam? It's your boy Taxi PNG, and we're back at it again with another man. Today we have Storm. Once again, you guys, and we're in New York City, all the way from Florida to the Big Apple. We're about to go ahead and show you guys some photo shoot poses at your next photo shoot in New York City. Let's do it. So literally what I'm thinking is, right? What I'm thinking is you're kind of standing in front of that bag, but I want that bag centered like this because I don't want it covering your feet. Okay, the light is kind of coming from this way, so I need your face this way at all times. If you're standing this way, it's gonna be more shadowed. I need it this way, you know what I'm saying? So like this. You have that light coming, it's gonna hit your rays like that. I think in popping that knee, kind of standing how you are right now, but give me like a you know what I'm saying? Like real exaggerative, real extra for no reason at all, okay? Let's do it. There you go, let me see, yes. There you go, literally like this, boom. As far as camera settings, you guys, I'm at shutter 250. My F is at 6.3. I'm going down to F5. I'm gonna go down to 80 ISO. I'm gonna go up a little bit more. Okay, 125 ISO. Yep, hold it, yes. Tilt your head this way a little bit more. Boom, hold it, 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. One more, hold it. 3, 2, 1. I'm going up to F9, you guys, to get that skin, make sure everything is in focus. I'm gonna get a little bit closer to show the details. Hold your necklace like out, like that, yes. Hold it, 3, 2, and 1. Boom, we got that city in the background. We're making sure everything is stretching at that low angle. 3, 2, and 1, going up on that shutter speed of 250. Oh, there we go. Yes, there we go. Hold it, yep, bet. Now what I'm thinking is also, I kind of want you to hold the bag, but like maybe like an angled wide stance, like not wide this way, but angled wide this way, and maybe like this. And I don't know if like you should put your hand in backwards, or like, I don't know, like something like awkward, something weird, where you're like that, you know what I mean? Something real weird, like play with it. Yep, real fun, nice and fun with it, like that. Yep, just like that. I'm gonna come down right here, catch it, 3, 2, and 1, let's see. Yes, 3, 2, and 1, hold it. 3, 2, and 1, yes. To the face out, face up and out, yep, boom. 3, 2, and 1, hold it. 3, 2, and 1, yes. I'm gonna have you come down further this way. So come right here. Same exact pose. We're just gonna get a little bit more compression. I'm gonna back up a little bit, go to 70 millimeters total, so I can compress it all down, okay? Let's see, right here. There we go, yes. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it, 3, 2, and 1. 200 ISO. There we go, 80 f-stop. Yes, look up and off. Hold it, 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1, yes. 3, 2, and 1. Now what I'm gonna have you do is I want you to walk towards me, but be real like extra. Like real extra. Start at the end and be real extra when you walk towards me. Like, oh my God, you know what I mean? All right, let's do it. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. Extra, yes. Boom, one more time. Let's do it again. So when you get like right here, stop, pose, bam, cause I'm snapping. Okay, I'm snapping. Okay, let's do it. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. Bam, bam, stop, pose, Bam. Face that way. Yes. There we go. Bag out. Maybe hold it out a little bit. Boom, like so. Hold it back in again. I kind of like how those hands look. Let me get some detail shots on those hands, you guys. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it, hold it, hold it. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. Yes. Hold it. Boom. Lean in with the bag. Yes, like that, like that. Hold. I'm going to get in close with you guys. Hold it. Yep. 3, 2. Yes. Yes. I love this. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. One more. 3, 2, and 1. Face up and pointing that way. 3, 2. Yes. 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 Hold. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, straight like that, man. Hey, we get to it and we get her done. Next location, let's do it. First quarter, a little piece. Man, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, we're here now. I'm gonna keep saying that shit. We here now. I'm a little bit delusional.
Running alongside us?
This is so, yeah, there's like 2, I think, right?
That's crazy. You just see everyone in that.
I'm a little disassociated,
But we dusting.
but we here though. I don't feel like I'm here,
Really?
but I am.
It's not
Bro.
gonna feel like it.
That's a lot of lead, but I got all this footage which is gonna prove that I was goddamn here. Yeah.
Hey man, say man, free my nigga Rich man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. You heard that?